Hello everybody! Welcome back to my creative sketchbook channel. I'm so happy to see you and to have you here in this new video. In today's video we're gonna have a complete tutorial of how to draw eyes, but I have also maintained the expression that eyes deliver. But I really hope that you learn and enjoy something from this video. Grab your materials and let's get right into it. Well, my main purpose of wanting to draw these eyes is that these eyes show a very important expression, which I would define as the expression of being frustrated. So I can say these are frustrated eyes. And I wanted to have this on paper. I wanted to have this expression on the paper and make it an art. So eyes have a lot of things to say, and they are the windows to the hearts, as we all know. feel free to share this drawing, this video with everyone you like, with the people who are interested in drawing. And see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.